baby back, little Virgo ass.
What you mean?
Look at you.
Huh?
You just really cleaning today.
I'm on my mind.
Yeah, it's good. Clean it up when we out here. Hell yeah. You
be the whole camera. I hold it.
Fuck you. See, he gonna put me to work. He talking about so I can hold the camera. I can hold it myself. I record my own responsibility. It's still clean in here, man.
If you want
What?
I said, I just made it. Look at this. Like, real talk. This is real.
I got on wait. I got on these shoes.
Oh, yeah, you cheating.
Still
like a
got some.
Sure, you cheating.
How long did it take us to jump in the water?
Bro, don't be scared of me like that, bro. What's wrong with you?
How long did it take us?
Long enough. Maybe about an hour.
That ain't been that long, damn.
I'm talking about me. I don't know about your head. I've been thinking about an hour. We've been sitting here for a minute now.
We in the water. We in the water finally. He pushed me first.
I said it right here too. I ain't going nowhere. Nope. Nothing yet. No. I bite.
So this was our humble abode. We stayed in a 1-bedroom apartment downtown Orlando. It costs way too much. We've been here for a year and a half, almost 2 years. Yeah, we were going on our second year here. Nice apartment, amazing apartment. Just didn't feel right, I guess. So we leaving.
Nuts. We not like this shit. Like y'all niggas have pulled up everything. I ain't got nowhere to hide. What It's gonna be okay, dude. She's gonna be okay, dude. Be easy. You don't know what the fuck going on, man. It's gonna be okay, dude. All you wanna do is find somewhere to hide. What's wrong, man? Come on, dude. Fuck this shit. This is bullshit. What's wrong, bro? What's wrong, bro? It's gonna be alright, bro. Yeah, console your brother. This nigga hot, bro. Like, dog, what the fuck going on around here, man? This is bullshit. Put their ass to work. Put their ass to work, dude. Yeah, you gotta put their ass to work. Yeah, for real. If you always trying to put you to work, put their ass to work. Shit. Look that. You better pick that box up. You better pick that box up.